Business Research and Service Institute, or BRASI, is a trusted name in training and skill development since 1981. BRASI offers the Pick, Pack, and Ship Process Course Handbook, your comprehensive guide to mastering the principles and practices of this course. When you buy the Pick, Pack, and Ship Process Course Handbook, you get access to the full course online, allowing you to receive your Pick, Pack, and Ship Process Course certificate upon completion of the course review and passing the test. Pick, Pack, and Ship Process course is for individuals interested in mastering the essential skills and fundamentals of pick, pack, and ship process. It's perfect for professionals and anyone else who wants to enhance their skill set and unlock new opportunities for employment and advancement. As a Pick, Pack, and Ship Process certificate holder, you'll gain valuable skills for employment and advancement, receive a Pick, Pack, and Ship Process certificate, and enjoy free verification as needed for employment and higher education. The Pick, Pack, and Ship Process course is conducted 100% online, accessible from anywhere in the world, and self-paced, offering you full control of your schedule. When you sign up, you will learn about the steps involved in this key warehouse process, with useful insights and guidelines. And the best part? All of this is available at an affordable price. Order the Pick, Pack, and Ship Process Course Handbook now.